Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create automatic discount for all your products on Shopify. Automatic discount is a promotion on Shopify that allows store owners to give discounts automatically at checkout and on the cart without using any discount codes. For an automatic discount to apply correctly, your customers need to add all eligible items to their carts before they move to checkout. This includes the items that they need to buy to qualify for the discount, as well as the items that they get as part of the promotion. Please be advised that you can have only one active automatic discount at any given time. Automatic discounts take precedence over discount codes, and customers can apply multiple discounts to a single order. Discount codes are unavailable for customers who have an automatic discount applied to their checkout. Let us show you how to create one. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you need to do first is to access to the Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account at www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click the discount section on the left side. Instead of codes, click automatic to be directed to the automatic discount page. Click the blue create automatic discount button to start creating your automatic discount. Name your automatic discount title. Your customer will see this in their carts or at checkout. Select the type of discount that you want to give to your customer. For this example, I want to give them a percentage discount. Enter the discount value and choose where you want this to be applied. Let us apply a 20% discount to the entire order so that it can be applied to all of your products. Set up the minimum requirements. You can either set a minimum purchase amount or set a minimum quantity of items. Let's set a minimum quantity item of 2. Lastly is the active date. Set the start and end date of your automatic discount. Let's set this discount to be active on the 30th of May. Review the automatic discount summary, and once everything is final, click the Save button on top or the Save Discount button at the bottom. You should see a pop-up notice at the bottom saying that you have created an automatic discount. You'll also see a green call-out confirmation they have successfully created your automatic discount. When your discount is active, as long as your customer meets the purchase requirements, the discount will always be applied at checkout. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!